Here I've got NOKIA 7.2, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here we've got both unique numbers, which is serial number and also serial numbers assigned to your Nokia. Tap on OK to go back, and now we'll open those numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open System. Now click on About Phone, go a bit lower, and here you've got both IMEI numbers, and if you will click on Model and Hardware, you will find your serial number. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.